Most business owners in India think AI is something big companies use like Tata, Reliance, or Zomato. But what if I told you that even a small shop owner in Jaipur, even a tuition teacher in Patna, even a freelancer working from home in Kerala can use AI and completely transform their business in 2025. And today I'm going to show you exactly how with real examples. And you can start using these strategies from today itself. So let's begin. In this video, I'm going to share how you can use AI in your digital marketing strategy in 2025. Even if you are a beginner, even if you don't know anything about technology. By the end of this video, we will have a step-by-step formula that small business owners are using right now to increase sales, grow their brand, and dominate online. Let me start with a true story from Pune. There's a mithai shop owner named Kailash Ji. For 22 years, he has been making gulab jamun, rasmalai, kaju katli, all the good things. But the problem is, every Diwali, 5 to 6 big shops around him would run ads on Instagram. They had professional videos, models, lightning, everything. And because of that, his shop hardly got any new customers. One day, his son showed him an AI tool. He clicked a picture of Kailash Ji making gulab jamun and uploaded it. And within 30 seconds, AI turned it into a cinematic ad. Lights, colors, angles, everything looked professional. That one ad got 2.5 lakh views and his Diwali sales increased by 41%. He didn't spend even 1 rupee on hiring a photographer. All he used was AI. Now tell me, if Kailash Ji can do it, can't you? Let's see how you can use AI for content creation. In 2025, content creation is no longer about spending hours and hours writing captions or designing posts. AI can create everything: scripts, captions, reels, photos, even voiceovers. For example, Instagram Reels. Tools like InVideo AI or Kyber AI can turn your simple photos into viral reels. For caption, AI tools can generate 30 days of Instagram captions in 10 minutes. For YouTube script writing, just like I am using AI to organize my research, you can use it to create structured educational scripts. For product photos, let's say you run a sari business in Surat, AI can automatically remove the background, improve the colors, and create studio quality product images, even if you shot them on a mobile phone. I met a home baker named Arohi from Bengaluru. She used to bake amazing cakes, but her Instagram looked very basic. No high quality photos, no consistent posting, no engagement, etc. One day she used AI to improve her cake photos, write engaging captions, generate trending hashtags, design a content calendar, and even schedule posts automatically. Then what happened next? In 2 months, her account grew from 1200 followers to 9800 followers, and she started getting corporate orders worth 30k to 50k. That's the power of AI plus digital marketing. Now let's talk about something that scares most Indian business owners: running ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. But AI has changed everything. AI can do targeting, ad writing, keyword research, audience optimization, budget optimization, A/B testing. Let me give an example. There's a man's clothing store in Lucknow. They spent 12,000 on ads but got very few sales. After using AI based audience targeting, they started targeting 20 to 35-year-old men living in Lucknow plus Kanpur, interested in ethnic wear, weddings, and sherwanis. and boom, their cost per sale dropped from 350 to 84 rupees. And the best part is AI ran the entire A/B testing automatically. That's amazing, right? Now we are going to see how to use AI for market research. AI can analyze competitors, trends, customer behavior, product demand, pricing strategy, etc. For example, a small tea brand in Assam wants to expand online. They used AI to understand which flavors are trending, who is buying premium tea, what price point sells best, what keywords people search, etc. In 1 week, they had more research insights than they collected in the last 1 year. The one thing I tell you guys is AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing people who don't use AI. In 2025, the businesses that will grow the fastest in India are the ones that adopt AI yearly. Whether you are a shop owner, freelancer, coach, home baker, influencer, etc., AI can give you the edge. If you enjoyed this video, comment below I want part 2. I will make a complete tutorial on how to actually use this AI tools step by step. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Cheers.